What's up, the Chiefer? Welcome back to the Tactical Studio, and today I'll be comparing all of Safe Flight Defense's Level 3A body armor. So, starting with their ultra-thin, ultra-lightweight Hyperline, it's crazy how well this thing reacts to your body to just form fit to it. Then we have their Level 3A. And their Level 3A Plus right here. Now, putting all of them side by side, starting with the Hyperline up on top in the white, the Level 3 in the middle, and the Level 3A Plus on the bottom in the red. So you can take a look at the Hyperline is about half the thickness as the standard Level 3A, and about the Level 3A Plus is about a quarter thicker than the Level 3A. Now, the Hyperline and the Level 3A is strike and slash resistant. Now, the Level 3A Plus is strike, slash, and stab resistant. Now, I recently was out at the range. Well, actually, today I was out at the range, and I wanted to see how well all of these did against a 9mm 124 grain Luger round. Now, I was really looking at the back face deformation. Being that the Hyperline is so thin and so lightweight, I was expecting to see, and I've seen other people do it, but I wanted to see it, I wanted to do it in person. I was expecting Mount Olympus to be in the back of this thing. You know, just because it's so lightweight. Like, how can this thing right here stop a bullet? Like, how? Especially at 5 yards where I was shooting at. So, this is the results. Take a look at that. It's crazy. I mean, look at the back face deformation on this thing. I shot it 2 times. Right there. Now, take a look at the Level 3A. Shot the same distance, same round. And look at the back face deformation on that one. And then look at the look at the Hyperline up on top. I mean, almost the same. It's crazy. This is so thin, so lightweight that, I mean, it's stopping it just as the Level 3A is stopping it. Yeah, they're both Level 3A, but this stuff is about half the thickness as this. How is that possible? Then we have the Level 3A Plus, which you can barely see any back face deformation on it. Barely on it. I mean, if I have another one here, side by side, you know, I have these 2 bolts sitting here on the chair. Every single time I go grab it, I have to feel it. It's so minimum. Look at that. There you have it. So the technology's out there, people, for thinner body armor, for thinner Level 3 body armor. Hyperline it's proven right here. Police chiefs, sheriffs, do your officer the favor. Get them something thinner, lightweight. It's hot out. This shit gets heavy on long shifts. So use the code THECHIEF. Get 10% off your entire purchase. God bless. Stay safe. Train hard. Work hard.